Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to delete watch history in DramaWave. Deleting watch history in DramaWave is a super easy process. Launch open your DramaWave application on your mobile device and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner. Inside your profile section, you will see the watch history tab. Tap on it to expand it. Now you will see all of your watch history that you've previously gone through on DramaWave. To delete your watch history, tap on the pencil icon at the top right. You can then select the content you'd like to delete by tapping on the circle in front of the drama poster. If you want to delete all the watch histories, tap on Select All and then click on Delete. Confirm your selection by tapping Delete once again. Right after you do that, you will be able to delete your watch history in DramaWave. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.